Welcome back my dear students and viewers. Manzoor Ali here, English Econ. Today I am going to tell you a wonderful story. The title of the story is The Selfish Giant. Watch it till end and enjoy the story. Once there lived a giant who had a lovely garden with full of trees, beautiful flowers and colorful birds. Unexpectedly, this giant went to his friend's country. There he stayed for 7 years. So, children had taken an advantage to play in his garden. After so long years, the giant returned to his garden and saw many children were playing in his garden. The giant got angry and shouted on the children, warned them not to play once again in his garden. Then the giant built up a high wall all around the garden and put up a notice board as trespassers will be prosecuted. As there was a big wall around the garden, no children were able to enter into the garden. Many days passed. All other gardens in his country started flowering, but still winter continues in his garden. All the trees became very pale, no beautiful flowers on them. Birds also stopped visiting the garden. The giant was wondering why the spring hasn't arrived in his garden. One day, the giant heard melodious voice of a little bird. Wow! The giant became very happy. Everywhere there was spring in the garden because the children entered into the garden through a small hole in the wall and were sitting on the branches of the trees. But in one corner, it was still winter. Why? Here is a reason. A little boy was standing there and he was trying to reach up to the tree, but he couldn't. The tree bent its branches down as low as it could, but the little boy was too tiny to climb up the tree. On watching this scene, the giant's heart melted. Here, the giant realized how selfish he was. Then, he lifted the little boy on the top of the tree. Not only this, he knocked down the wall so that all the children enjoy or play in his garden. Then all the children started playing in his garden except little boy. The giant inquired about that little boy, but the giant couldn't find him ever. The giant became very old. Just he was watching his garden through window. Suddenly, a marvelous sight appears. He saw all golden and silver fruits hanging on the tree, and he also saw that little boy was coming towards him. Little boy had some wounds. The giant asked the little boy who had dared to wound him. The little boy said, No, nobody wounded me, but these are the wounds of love. Lastly, the little boy said to the giant, once he allowed to play in his garden. Now come with me to live in my garden, that is in paradise. The child climbs up onto the arms of the old giant and moves towards the paradise. The story ends here. Before leaving the video, you should know what is the moral of the story. One should not be selfish. Be kind-hearted. If you are new here, consider subscribing like and share, and click on the bell icon.